In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to 10x your income as a clipper. If you're a clipper, you've done it for some time. You've probably done some campaigns through WAP or other methods to make an income while clipping other people's clips. But you're leaving money on the table because eventually those campaigns run out and you have to find a new one, and then you have to clip someone else's clips, and you're just in a hamster wheel. So what you want to do is get out of that hamster wheel and actually create a sustainable income that you can rely on every single month. So I'm going to tell you how to do that right now. What you need to do is have an offer that you're promoting. So within your account that you're posting your clips on, you also have a space for a link in the bio. So you need to be using that space and referring people to that link, whether it's through comments or things like that. You can automate comments and sending DMs. What you need is an offer. So not only do you make money with the clipping and how many views you get and submitting your clips, you also need the right offer within your bio and sending out to people. So I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. And the best offer that you could possibly promote is my school group. So what I want you to do is join my school group and help me promote my group. So what happens is you refer people to the group and you earn reoccurring monthly commissions by doing so. So basically you would earn $25 a month per member. If you refer 400 members, that's $1,000 a month right there. So let me tell you a little bit more about it. Within the group, I actually teach the viral video format, and I have a tutorial on how to edit videos in CapCut. But if you're a clipper, you probably don't need that. But what you do need is how to create viral accounts. So Instagram especially is very picky about the accounts that they deem healthy and trustworthy. And you want to make sure that when you start new accounts, you understand exactly what they're looking for as far as trust signals and what accounts, what parameters you need to be using to create the account to create a trusted Instagram account. Some of you already have that and you get views fine, which is great. Even better, you can start making money immediately after you join the group. You just refer other people. You're going to automatically, when you join the group, get your affiliate link, and everything is automatically tracked and paid out directly to you. So every member that you refer, you earn $25 a month. Okay. So you're doing your clipping campaign. Let's say you're clipping for Iman Ghazi or anyone in the Make Money Online niche is ideal. Because that's kind of the theme of this offer. But it could kind of work with anybody. And as long as you're going viral, you don't want to waste that traffic. You don't want to waste that that opportunity to make money. So you can double up your income by, making your posts, earning from the views that they get through a WAP campaign, for instance, and through the link in the bio promoting my group. I hope that helps, man. If you have any questions, join the link in the description below. And if you got any value from this video, subscribe, like this video, because YouTube overlords have decided that this video needs engagement and watch time to be pushed out to more people. I appreciate you.